Hey guys, Becki-licious here, and today we're going to do a super fun lunch. I'm going to show you how to make homemade onion rings in the air fryer, so you better stick around to see that. But to go with our onion rings, we're going to make an awesome egg salad sandwich. I hope you stick around to the end of this video so I can show you how easy these air fryer onion rings work. All right, we're going to get started with this yummy egg salad sandwich mix. So we've got to get our eggs sliced up, you know, with these perfect hard-boiled eggs that I kind of have. And look at that. Look at how perfect that egg is boiled. I've shared the tip before about what to do with that. If you missed it, hang around to the end of the video and I'll give you my tip on how to do it. But let's get these sliced up and put in the bowl. Oh, this is going to be so good. Let's finish up this egg salad. Of course, you got to have your mayonnaise. A couple few. And of course, egg salad, you know, you kind of go by sight, not necessarily by by measurement, if you will. It's all just in how many eggs you put in. Let's do a little bit of mustard. Nice little healthy dollop of that. All right, so while we are mixing this up, do not forget to like and subscribe, share with your friends for sure, and click on that link me for some other fun stuff, all right? All right, now we need to add some sweet pickle relish. I love me sweet pickle relish. Okay, let's see how that, let me mix this up and see how it looks. And more of the sweet pickle relish. Faux show. Consistency, I think, is great, so we're just going to do a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Get this mixed up. All right, so we're going to get this covered and we're going to throw this in the refrigerator and then we're going to go over and make some homemade onion rings. Let's get everything ready for these onion rings. Let's get our batter first. So this is just flour, obviously, and our yummy seasoning. Got a little bit of paprika. We've got garlic powder and onion powder both. And I went a little bit heavier on the cayenne pepper because I want a little bit more flavor. So let's get that in there. A little bit of pepper. A little bit of salt, and let's get this all mixed up and ready. All right, our 3 stations are ready. We've got our onion all chopped up and ready to go. So we're going to start in our flour mixture first. This is going to be steps. And we're going to go over to our egg, and just because we want to have a lot of crunch, we're going to dip it back in the flour. We're going to do this a couple of times because, like I said, we want it to be crunchy. Back in the flour. Yummy, yummy. This is going to be so good. So that is a double mixture there. And then we're going to hop on over to the panko breadcrumbs and get that all nice and coated. Look at that. There we go. Throw that on our baking sheet. So we're going to get this done for all of these, and then it's going to be time to throw them in the air fryer. All right, air fryer onion rings ready to go in 375, and they're going to go in there for, I don't know, 5 to 7 minutes. We'll see what they look like. These onion rings are ready. I wanted mine a little bit crispier, so I bumped up the temp on it. So, all right, it's time to plate up. Have some lunch. So there you go. Our super fun lunch is all ready to eat. These onion rings are nice and crispy and ready to go. My egg salad sandwich, which I absolutely love. Got a little bit of ranch on the side because it's onion rings. Of course, that's how it goes. So looky there. Doesn't that look amazing? Another fun adventure in the kitchen with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves because I know I did. I look forward to seeing you guys next time, okay? Bye. Okay, here's my Becki-licious tip for the perfect boiled egg. Put your eggs in a pan with room temperature water and about a tablespoon of baking soda. Bring it to a rapid boil. Once it's boiling, cover it and remove it from the heat and time it for exactly 20 minutes. And then you're just going to rinse it in cold water. And voila, the perfect hard-boiled egg. If you want to see my meatball sub sandwich, click on the video.